All right, round two here on the 14th day of April 2024, and all the stuff going on over in Iran, obviously, right now, and the Jewish state in Israel. It's just sad they're fighting over land and hatred. Drives me insane. So I went to Oak Ridge Country Club and grew up in Hopkins, a very prominent Jewish St. Louis Park and area, so I could care less what religion you are. I could care less. White, black, Hispanic, we make love to. It's a very peaceful place, very interesting. Let's check it out. Like I said, it's a very big place. Long time ago, someone did tip some of these over and it pissed me off. I think it was this one. People like to vandalize stuff like this. Rabbi. So I went 1884, 1955. My goodness. You can tell how far this thing goes. I drove by it many times, didn't realize it was a Jewish one until I was looking one time and at that last cemetery you guys saw it. I'm like, I'm gonna come on by. I drove through. I'm like, oh my goodness. When I was in St. Martin, and in the Caribbean, they have a really cool old cemetery. I think it's above ground. Obviously, it's kind of cool. So the ones out in New Orleans would be cool to walk through too as well. Cohen. Paula Cohen, remember her at Oak Ridge? She's a hell of a good golfer. Paula and Mrs. Gordon, her husband. Wonder if they're buried here. Rappaport. She's a nice lady. Under the shade here. I think Mrs. Gordon's passed on. I know her husband did. He was a really nice man. He was a doctor. The ones over there, oh my goodness. Another, you can kind of sit down there and relax and talk to the dearly departed. Goldberg, I don't recognize that name. '62, 1877. So those are bar and habits. Must be some family plots. I don't know what they get for plots these days. She went 1996. She was a Christmas baby. Christmas. The second name they call it, there's another name they call this, of a Jewish name. 1892, 1958, 56, 52, 51. Gordon. No, I don't know if that's, no, nope, that's not the Gordon. But I saw Wellstones over there in, Calhoun. He had a simple one, it was a rock. It's kind of cool. Lifts, I remember that name from Oak Ridge. Smoke 'em if you got them. Menthol. $5 a pack, they're getting rid of them. Goldberg. Right off of Penn Avenue, in between Crosstown and 494. Look at that. Probably have services there, I have no idea. Diamond. Wonder if that's Jeff Diamond's uncle. See if he's buried here. Just a Jeff Diamond was the former general manager of Minnesota Vikings, a friend of mine. Phillips. Lieberman. That's 1983. Those guys caddied in that group. Lieberman, those guys. Applebaum. Sid Applebaum. Nice man. Anyways, guys, so we kind of come to the end of this area. Like I said, lots of headstones, lots of walking. Anyways, on to the third one. Hope you're enjoying it. Off we go.